Hi guys! Really good job. Burnt pork chop by Avelovinit. Hi, good morning. What is up you guys, it's your girl Avelovinit and welcome to another vlog. Hey! What I want to share to you guys is my skincare routine. A lot of you guys have been messaging me what products I use when it comes to having a pimple-free face. I wouldn't consider that my face is pimple-free. I do have like a lot of like spots, mostly on my forehead area. I always have problems with ever since I was a teenager. That is the reason why I bought the Bello AcnePro Pimple Control System. If you guys know where I bought this, I will put it on the description box. So first off, when I wake up in the morning, I wash my face. I tie my hair to make sure that no hair is in the way. So the first step is to use the Bello Acne Pimple Fighting Bar. Wet it just a little bit, just to give the bar a boost, and gently put it on your face. You can see the bubbles already. I will leave this on my face for about 2 to 3 minutes while I brush my teeth. And voila, my face is now fresh. I'm so happy that nowadays you can buy whatever stuff that you need online, especially living in an island where there's not much supplies. This is very convenient for me. After washing my face, I will do the toner and then the pimple gel, but I will let you guys know more about these steps later as I teach my mini-me a proper teenager skincare routine. Smells so good. Thank you. What are we having for breakfast? Of course, Avelovinit is getting her rice fix, garlic rice and omelette. What's in it, baby? Tuna omelette. Thank you. You're the best.
You did this the other day, so I got inspired. Is this how you did it?
Yeah, but only low heat, huh?
Uh-oh.
Hello! After breakfast, we're here in our internet spot. Actually, this is our second internet spot. The one that we always go to has a checkpoint now, unfortunately. That's why we couldn't pass from one barangay to another, if that makes sense. They're becoming really strict right now due to the 2 confirmed cases here in Siargao Island. So since there's no signal at all in our homestay, we have to drive about 10 minutes away from our place to certain spots that has signal. So what we're gonna do is check our YouTube videos because Martin just uploaded his video. I also uploaded mine. Respond to some of the comments. Check Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. So that's what we usually do in the morning. Actually, it's not pretty bad at all because it has a nice view. We get to breathe fresh air. We're still lucky. You get to see also the ocean. You can see it, but it's right there. Let me zoom it in for you. So that's the ocean. And the reason why the signal here is strong is because cell phone towers are right there.
My mom cut herself into my latest vlog. She also wants to chill at the resort.
Oh, it's so cute. Our honeymoon trip in Naipalad was amazing. Martin did a really good job in his video, and I also did a great video. I edited it for 3 days. Usually when we edit, it takes so much time and effort because we do want to give you guys the best quality as we can. Oh, it's pretty windy. Due to the checkpoint, I also am not sure if I can see Ollie today. Fingers crossed that you will see her later in this vlog.
New Patreon time.
Yay, new Patreon! 40 Patreons now. Yes. Thank you so much. Hi guys! Thank you! Thank you! Halika na, pasok ka na. Kumain ka na?
Hindi pa.
Hindi ba? Lunch? My mini-me is here! We're going to cook lunch. And magbabanding kami.
Saan? Doon, para siyang secret siya. Sa bukid talaga.
Sige.
Kulo ang ganda. Kayo
Mag-swimming kayo?
Ito. Ayun nung nag-atid sa akin doon. Nung nasabi mo siya ng tubig. Talaga siya sa ilalim ng lupa. It's time to eat chocolate. Okay guys, magluluto ako ngayon ng fried rice. Ganito po magluto ng fried rice. Ilagay na natin yan. Lagyan ng paminta. Okay, tapos na.
Yay! Fried rice by Oli.
Ilalagay na natin sa plate.
Guys, it's a little bit burnt. 4 years of culinary school. Sorry, teachers. Thank you. Burnt pork chop by Avelovinit. Oh my god.
Okay, ngayon magsiswimming kami. Kasi walang kuryente. Walang kuryente. Na naman!
Let's go! So we're quite lucky that there's a beach here. I've been trying to smoke the pork belly for I think 2 hours now. No, actually, I was lying. Only 1 hour. The electricity has been on and off for the past few days. Not sure what's the problem. So now we're going to swim at the beach and enjoy the sunset. Hi, Adrian! Ano yan? Pakita mo sa akin. Tumulong ka magbuhat ng bangka. Ayan, may ulam na si Adrian. Hi, puppy!
Hello?
Yeah, I named this puppy called Papi. Papi Chulo. Papi Chulo. Papi Chulo. He's excited. Papi! Swimming time! No. We're done swimming! It was a nice swim right on time before sunset. Some kids are happily enjoying the beach. There's also some surfers. Hi guys! The electricity is back. Super happy about that. Stay hydrated. We just got out of the shower. The swimming was really fun. Before I teach Ollie my skincare routine, I just wanna mention how much of a struggle it was for me. I guess that, sorry, it's pretty loud in here. As I was saying, one of my struggles as a teenager was my pimples. That was my biggest insecurity. I remember that I would have a lot of pimples on my forehead, 14 till 18 to 19. Syempre medyo jahe, especially when I see my crush. And as a student, I couldn't find any affordable products that are specifically for acne. That is why I'm super happy na that Bello has now a Bello AcnePro, a pimple control system that you can see visible results within just 7 days. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I always remind you guys about proper skincare, hygiene. For me, that is more important than buying luxury items. I think of it as an investment for my future self. Let's go, Ollie! Mag-facial wash na tayo! Hello! Now, let's start off with the Bello AcnePro Pimple Fighting Bar. First, syempre, kailangan muna natin itali yung buhok natin. Yan, we're gonna scrub this a little bit hanggang sa mabulat. Yun yung gagawin mong cleanser. Para lang talaga siyang sabon. Yan. Nagsasabon ka ba ng mukha mo din? So, but this one is specifically for the face. The thing that I like about it is that it's gentle and not a lot of products that is made for pimples ay di siya nag-overdry. After natin maghilamos, we need to dry our face gently. Dapat ganyan. Hindi yung yan. Pakita na natin face. The second step is to use the AcnePro Pimple Toner. A lot of people use cotton. For me, preferably, I use just the palm of my hands sa aking palad and then pat it on my face. Feeling ko kasi there's something about using the palm of my hands and the heat that creates parang mas oomph siya sa akin. Plus, it's very eco-friendly. I don't need to use any cotton. Mas tipid siya kasi hindi na natin kailangan bumili ng bulak. Ganun-ganun mo lang siya. By using this daily, it will prevent your face from breakout. The toner ensures that the pimple gel will penetrate better. So this is very important before using the AcnePro Pimple Gel. This is what it looks like. Ganyan lang siya. Very light and it's not heavy on the face. You can use this any time of the day. Hindi siya halata. Ilalagay natin siya sa mga spots na prone tayo magka-pimple. Whenever I have a huge pimple, dinadagdagan ko lang siya. As in, parang isang tuldok lang siya. Usually sa ilong ako eh. Kasi lagi ako in love. Charat. For when I always travel, I always bring this with me. Because it's very handy. You can easily put it in your handbag. Kasi maliit lang siya. So, ayan na. Fresh na kami ni Ollie. Yeah, very fresh. You can use this every day before ka matulog or pagkatapos mo maligo. You can buy this in Shopee for only 190 pesos. But if you wanna buy the whole set with the pimple cleansing bar and the toner, it'll be 330 pesos for the AcnePro System Treatment Kit. I will be linking everything below para mas madali sa inyo to buy this.
Hi guys! Pupunta kami ngayong Darosa para sa internet.
Ollie doesn't wanna go home yet. Mag-internet muna siya for TikTok.
Oo.
And ML. Hello! This is the liempo or the pork belly that I cooked earlier today. I marinated this with salt, pepper, soy sauce, and garlic. That's it.
Jesus, that was actually smart that you had it on. This is how Ave is cooking pork in the house.
Just trying to be safe, you know.
Success! Now we can eat. I also made some couscous. My cooking skills lately has been very rusty.
That's not true. You've been making delicious food every day. You're just being hard on yourself.
No veggies because it's so hard to find veggies here nowadays. Due to the port, it has been closed for about a week now and it will be closed until October 11. We work on what we have. Feel very lucky that we get to eat good food every day.
Wow, ang ganda.